Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You will begin by opening an account, verifying ID, and turning on two-factor authentication. This secures your trades. Next, link a bank or card and understand the difference between ACH and instant card fees, because that affects timing and cost. Once your payment method is attached, deposit fiat or transfer crypto into Coinbase and confirm the available balance. This is the cash you will use to enter your first trade. Make sure to review your limits now, so you don't get blocked mid-trade. Once funded, decide between market, limit, and stop orders. You pick speed versus price control. You should size your position based on risk rules and double-check slippage and fee estimates so execution doesn't eat your gains. Next, open advanced trade to use candlesticks, moving averages, and the order book to time entries and exits. This reduces chasing. Place your order, confirm the details, and watch the order status. If partial fills occur, make deliberate adjustments. Don't panic and track realized cost basis. You finish by securing positions and preparing for ongoing management. Move long-term crypto to a hardware wallet and retain a small hot balance for active trading. Then set alerts, use stop loss and take profit orders to automate risk control, and keep a clear record for taxes. Download reports and reconcile trades, since Coinbase may issue Form 1099 in some jurisdictions. If something goes wrong, first check Coinbase system status and your KYC. If
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.